Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Suprita Kyar, currently pursuing BE in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, in the branch of Artificial Intelligence. I am studying first sem in the section of THEVO, and my ID is 23CA1686, and the course title is Introduction to Mechanical Engineering, and the course code is BESCK104D. And today we are going to discuss a topic about electrical and hybrid vehicles. And here are the table of contents we are going to discuss in this video. Introduction, electrical vehicles, block diagram, working, advantages, disadvantages of electrical vehicles, and hybrid vehicles, block diagram, working, advantages, disadvantages of a hybrid vehicles, and a difference between electrical and hybrid vehicles. Let's get into the introduction. Electrical vehicles are either partially or fully powered on electrical power. Electrical vehicles are also a very environmentally friendly. Hybrid vehicles obtained its energy from a different sources and therefore have more than one drive system. Let's get into the topic, that is electrical vehicles. An electrical vehicle is an automobile that is propelled by one or more electrical energy stored in energy device. Electrical vehicles are increasingly becoming a part of modern life, and its tremendous fuel economy, eco-friendliness, and a smooth driving feel have appealed to many customers. Electrical vehicles are propelled by electric motors and uses electrical energy stored in a batteries. Unlike vehicles with a combustion engines, electrical vehicles do not produce during operation. And here is the block diagram of electrical vehicles. The wheels is connected to a transmission in either side, and it is connected to a motor or a generator, and it is connected to a battery in either of accessories. Here are the advantages of electrical vehicles. Reduces air pollution, and these are eco-friendly because electrical vehicles do not utilize fuel for combustion. There is no emissions or a gas exhaust. Switching to an electric vehicle instantly eliminates toxic pollution such as nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, and hydrocarbons. Second one is a cost effective. Electricity is a far less expensive than the fuels such as a gasoline and a diesel, which are subjected to regular price increases. When a solar electricity is utilized at home, battery recharging is cost effective, less running cost per kilometer. The third one is low maintenance because electric cars have fewer moving components. Wear and tear is reduced when compared to traditional auto parts. Repairs are also simpler and are less expensive than the combustion engines. And the fourth one is less noise and a smoother motion. Driving an electric car is significantly smoother because they lack a fast moving elements and they are quieter and produces less noise. Almost 100% of these batteries can be recycled, which keeps on batteries from becoming a disposal problem. Here are the disadvantages of electrical vehicles. High initial cost. Electrical vehicles continue to be quite expensive. The purchase price of electrical cars doesn't tend to be higher than the petrol or a diesel engine version of the same car. Charging station limitations. People who need to travel long distances are concerned about finding adequate charging stations in the middle of the journey, which are not always available or accessible. Less driving range. When compared to conventional automobiles, electric vehicles have a shorter driving range. Electrical cars can be convenient for a short distance travel but are inconvenient for a long distance travel. And the last one is the fire hazards. Possibility of a fire hazards in the electric vehicles are heavy. And our second topic is hybrid vehicles. Hybrid vehicles are powered by an internal combustion engine and one or more electrical motors which uses energy stored in a batteries. Hybrid vehicles cannot be plugged into a charge the battery. Instead of the battery is charged through the regenerative braking and by the internal combustion engine. Here is the block diagram of a hybrid vehicles. The transmission is connected to either of the wheels and is connected to battery and transmissions. And transmission is connected to a motor and a clutch. And the motor is connected to a battery and the clutch is connected to an engine. Here is the advantages of hybrid vehicles environmentally friendly because one of the biggest advantages of the hybrid car over a gasoline powered vehicles is that it runs cleaner and has a better gas mileage, which makes it environmentally friendly. And second one is financial benefits. Hybrid cars are supported by many credits and incentives that help to make them affordable. And the third one is regenerative braking system. Each time you apply the brake while driving hybrid vehicles, it helps you recharge your battery a little. An internal mechanism kicks in the captures the energy released and uses it to charge the battery, which in turn eliminates the amount of time and need for stopping to recharge the battery periodically. The last one is built from lighter material. Hybrid vehicles are made up of lighter materials which are less energy is required to run them, and the engine is also smaller and lighter and also saves a much energy. And here is the disadvantages. It has a less power, that is, hybrid cars have twin powered engines. The gasoline engine, which is a primary source of power, is smaller as compared to what you get in a single engine powered cars. The combined power of both is often less than that of a gas powered engine. And the second one is can be expensive. Hybrid cars are comparatively more expensive than a regular petrol cars. And the third one is poorer handling. A hybrid car houses a gasoline powered engine, a lighter electric engine, and a pack of powerful batteries. And the accident from high voltage in a batteries. In the event of an accident, the high voltage present inside the batteries may be dangerous. And the last one is battery replacement piracy. Battery replacement in a hybrid car or a vehicles is currently rare, and however, if a battery needs to be replaced, it can get piracy. In the last topic is difference between a electrical vehicles and an hybrid vehicles. Here is the differences. First one, pure electrical vehicles run slowly on electricity stored in a battery pack. They do not have an ICE and produces zero tailpipe emissions. And the range of an electric vehicle is determined by the capacity of its battery. The third one is electrical vehicles produce a require charging stations to replenish their battery, and they need to be recharged once the battery is depleted. And the last one is electrical vehicles can have a higher upfront cost due to the expense of the battery. The difference of a hybrid vehicle is hybrid vehicles combine an internal combustion engine with a small battery and an electric motor. Hybrid vehicles have a small battery compared to electrical vehicles and rely on both the engine and regenerative braking. Hybrid vehicles do not rely on a charging stations. They can be refueled at the gasoline stations. While hybrids produce fewer emissions than conventional gasoline vehicles, they still emit some pollutants. Hybrids tends to be a less expensive upfront comparatively to fully electrical vehicles. And this is about a video. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video.